Hardly anyone can stay indifferent to Pokemon Go these days, and while some owners of smartphones literally bleeding with excitement look for virtual creatures in all nooks and crannies of the city or even the country, other people feel angry with the developers and reinforce their intentions with real actions. An online petition calling to ban this game in Ukraine has recently appeared in the correspondence section of the Ukrainian president website. The petition reads as follows: to prevent the release of the viral smartphone game Pokemon Go in Ukraine. The petition was initiated by Vitaly Marchenko. He believes Pokemon Go to be the root of almost all evil. Here is what Marchenko is calling for. We must exclude all possibility that the game Pokemon Go is released to the Ukrainian public, as it will lead to the utmost degradation of pupils and students, development of a colossal addiction similar to drugs, and nation's downfall by means of altering consciousness and the psychological state of youth. It is still not clear whether this proposition is real and not the work of internet trolls. The petition has already been signed by 178 people, but the site's administration will look into a petition only if it has been signed by at least 25,000 people. The collection of electronic signatures will end in 88 days.